Welcome to Marchex Call Analytics, Conversation Edition, a solution that provides actionable insights for converting more callers into customers. This is the call log. The call log is the base repository of all calls being analyzed within the system. In this particular example, we're going to use our company by the name of Pizza Bagels to illustrate the call log at work. Pizza Bagels sells pizzas, bagels, or a combination of both for delivery or carryout. These are all the phone calls that have come into the Pizza Bagels locations. To the left is your call list, where you get all of your high-level information about the call. And to the right are all your specific call details, where you can dive in a bit deeper. You can search for specific calls within the call log by entering their unique number or a campaign name, or use the filter box here to search for particular calls based on a set of parameters. Here's where you have all your call metadata, which expands on the general information that you see here to the left. For example, you have the number of the caller, their name, the call tracking number, the answered by number, which is the number the call tracking number forwards to, the campaign the call was associated with, which in this case is a paid search campaign, the Pizza Bagels locations they dialed, start and stop time, as well as the duration of the call. However, the real power of the call log comes into play with call DNA. You can think of call DNA as a color-coded map of a phone call that segments each part of the call into when the caller was speaking, the agent was speaking, when the phone was ringing, if there was any silence, or if any information was redacted or obscured for privacy purposes, such as credit card. The machine learning-based algorithms that underline call DNA are able to take this map along with the metadata you see here, and automatically provide a classification of the call to you right out of the box, which in this case, this call has been automatically classified as a conversation. The technology can also give you an outcome around the specific department that corresponds to the order, which in this case is an order for a pizza as well as bagels. You can also click the edit icon here to enter any custom classifications. Below is where our natural language processing models are able to provide a detailed transcript, split out between the caller and the agent. Each one of these utterances are hyperlinkable back to call DNA, meaning if you click on one of them, you'll be taken to the section within the stream where that phrase appeared, allowing you to listen to it on demand. You can listen to a call in its entirety by hitting the play button, or you can download it as an MP3 file for listening at a later time, or in the event you want to share it with other stakeholders. Here you have your agent scorecard, which corresponds to any scripts that you're tracking within the technology. A history of how many times that caller has dialed into that business location, as well as a section to capture any notes associated with that call for future reference. Be sure to check out the agent script tracking dashboard video to learn more about that. You can adjust the call log according to any date range you like, or export the call log in its entirety for further integration into other systems via CSV file. With extremely fast response times, the call log scales to support millions of customer calls, giving you the ability to analyze them in detail all in one place. Understand your customers' unique buying experiences with the call log with Marchex Speech Analytics. For more information, visit marchex.com.